Dyson V7 Animalpro Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, extra tools for homes with pets, rechargeable, lightweight, powerful suction, blue. Cord-free, hassle-free, powerful suction for versatile cleaning. The V7 Animalpro Plus includes $60 worth of extra tools for whole home cleaning. Includes Flexi Crevice tool, mini motorized tool, stubborn dirt brush, combination tool, crevice tool, direct drive cleaner head, and docking station. Up to 30 minutes fade-free power. Actual runtime will vary based on power mode and/or attachments used.